Hello friends, welcome back to Crafting and Relaxing. In today's video, I spliced together parts of a project that I worked on just because I wanted you to see something besides a card. There are so many ways that you can use your paper crafting, and I think it's important to think about the options in your life, how you can do things for friends or yourself. In this video, I was putting together some note cards, and I used that Bow Bunny glitter paste. That stuff is beautiful, but be sure and wash your stencils. These were for a retirement party. You could do these for baby showers, bridal showers, anniversary parties, anything where you wanted cute little note cards. In this instance, the idea is that the attendees would write notes on them, and then they would go to the retiree. So not only would the retiree have nice notes, and here you can see I'm flicking the extra ink off of that stencil onto the note cards. Don't waste your ink or your paints. So anyway, they would get the notes and they would get some artwork with them, and they would all be customized. You could always use, some people use 3x5 cards. You could go buy something. This way, the option of customizing is you could match the exact colors or style that you wanted for the theme. I put these together in one evening, and you can see I taped them down. The reason I taped them down was because of the glitter paste, and I probably used glitter paste on about, maybe 8 to 10 of them, not all of them. I used stamps, stencils, inks, a bunch of different things. You can see washi tape, glitter pens, the Sharpie gold and silver pens, all of the normal things that I might use on cards or art journals. I just put them together really quickly, and it was a pretty fun project. This has to be a just get it done, don't stop and think about it. Especially, I was trying to do like 40 or 50 of them, so you can't stop and think on every single one. And unfortunately, I worked out of the camera angle some, but you get enough where you can see. On this one, I've stamped, I put some washi tape, I used the glitter paste, and then I inked it. And all of my blues don't match, but I love blue and I like them all. So if you're a pink person, you would probably like to have 5 different pinks on a card and be super happy about it. I didn't want them all exactly the same, but I was trying for speed. So that's why in some you'll see themes. I just went through and looked to see what do I have that I could work into this, put it all together like in a little pile, like a kit, and cut up some white cardstock. I also used a couple of different blue cardstocks you'll see at the end when I show you the finished products. And just put them together as quick as I could. And they're fun little cards. The other thing is a lot of these were scraps because I'd been using a lot of 12x12, and so I had strips of white. So I decided what size they were going to be based on the fact that I had a bunch of, I think they were 3-inch strips. So that's another thing to keep in mind is projects that use up scraps are always good. I still have a bunch of card ideas I want to show you that use scraps. So be sure you're saving your scraps as you watch the video. Even 1/2-inch or 1/4-inch strips that you think, oh, I'll never use this. So right there, I have a stamp that's about 3/4 or an inch wide, and these are pretty small cards. And I wanted to make them different so that if somebody wanted to write a lot, there was a lot of room or little. So you'll see I'm putting the 2 cards next to each other and stamping. That way I'm not wasting any time or ink or having to clean up ink that I got on my glass mat, and I'm doing 2 at once. I don't think you get to see it, but I laid out 4 down below at one point. So just a really fun idea I wanted to show you, and be sure that you're using your talents for all sorts of different ways. I'm moving my craft space right now, so I'm having little troubles that I'll work through. And please share one of my videos on social media if you like it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it just lets me know that I'm on the right track and that you're enjoying my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.